Welcome back. It's day 16. You are chugging along, making some great improvement on your stuff. So today we're actually going to be talking about A/B testing on your landing pages. And this is a really cool new feature that Kajabi just recently released. And I think that it can be really helpful as you are working with your lead magnet and other things. So we're going to jump right in and tackle this pretty early so that you can benefit from it right away. Here in the dashboard, we come over to website and our website pages. Over here you see A/B test, and if you click on it, you can learn more. This video, this page actually is really useful. There's a great video there. So if you want to, you can click on that and give it a peek for sure. A/B testing is something that works with landing pages and funnel pages. So you need to have a landing page or a funnel page first. So one thing you want to consider is that you need to have traffic to your page in order to be able to test it. And if you want to check to see where your page traffic is, you come over to the dots and you click View Page Analytics. And so this page has had no visitors, which, I'm not really surprised. It's kind of a weird, useless page on a test site that just, there's no reason that it would. But anyways, this is where you go to find out. And if your page is getting some traffic, go over the last 30 days. And if you're getting some traffic, then A/B testing it is probably a great idea, especially if it's your freebie or your opt-in page. The way you do it is you click on the dots and you create an A/B test. And this is, it's just really simple. So you first get to decide what you want to test on based on clicks, opt-ins, conversion numbers, or, money generated from your page. Clicks is going to be any click of any link on the page. Opt-ins is form signups. Conversions, it says here your landing page, if your landing page does not have a form, an offer link, or a pop-up checkout link, then select clicks. So if you've got an offer link, like a sales page to an offer, to make the sale, then you can use conversions. Opt-ins is what you want if you've got a form, and then for that, I'm not actually sure how the dollar amount works, but I'm going to be going with opt-ins on this because it is our lead magnet, and you can set the test duration to however many days or hours that you want to test over. Just make sure that you're considering how much traffic you expect to get, because you're going to need to get a decent amount of traffic in order for this test to be meaningful. And that traffic is going to be split 50-50 to these two different pages. Kajabi is going to manage all of that. So you don't have to worry about really anything except saying, what do you want to measure? And then how long do you want it to be for? Once you hit confirm, Kajabi jumps you over into the A/B area of the page. All right, so here we have Kajabi has loaded it up for us, and now we're in the A/B area. And it's super cool. So first of all, if we come back to our landing page, it is still published and live. If we come back to the A/B test, you're seeing that it's draft. That's just telling you that the test isn't live yet. In other words, Kajabi isn't splitting the traffic between these two pages. So what you need to do is you need to edit your B copy of the page. The A copy is the original, the B copy needs to be edited. And before we jump into the editor, you can click over here and you can see things like renaming the title, editing the details. This can be good for more technical type of adjustments for SEO or off-page metrics and things like that. If you want to actually edit the page, you just jump right in by clicking there like you normally would. And now you basically just get to edit this page however you want. This can be different. Maybe you're like, all right, let's see if having a yellow button makes a difference. Maybe people like yellow buttons more than red buttons. Hit save, run your test. Maybe you want to do more than just a button color, and instead of hitting submit, you could do click to submit. You'll make it a bit more clear. A yellow button, click to submit. There we go. Save it. If you're going to change a lot of things, then you might not know which thing you changed that made the difference. So you may want to just change a little bit, or you may want to change a lot. It is completely up to you. So then we go back, and we've got two different pages. We go draft, and we publish our test. Publishing this test, yeah, we're going to do that, and Kajabi is automatically going to assign people to both versions. Publish. And now we've got these cool little bits of data, and we can draft it if we need to. Here is the link, and it's good to know that the URL for your page hasn't changed. You don't have to start sharing a new link. It's still this page. So honestly, it's really easy to use, and you can hide that there, and you can get a whole bunch of A/B tests running at once off of different pages. You can only run one test off of one page at a time, and you can click on that if you need to, and it jumps you over to this space. So that is how you can A/B test your pages in Kajabi. It's super easy to set up. It doesn't change your plan or cost you anything. And really, it just gives you a better idea as to what's working in your site and what isn't. And you really just need the traffic to make it valuable. So keep this in mind. And as you start getting traffic into your opt-ins or your lead magnets, your sales pages, your freebies, anything where you want people to take action, then I recommend you set up some A/B tests so you can hone in on what's going to work the best and what isn't.